Hello friends, today we will play with our kitchen. Today we will cook so much things. There is a pot, some plates, a knife, chopper board, fridge, kitchen. There is a water tank. So much things. Let's start cooking. Okay, there is so much things. Okay, let's start cutting and cook them. Okay. Let's cut the broccoli. Wow, it's green color. It's green color. Let's put in the pot. One can do. Another piece will be for another day. Let's cut the pumpkin. No, not the pumpkin. It's already cut. Let's cut. Now let's put here. Now let's give a stir. Wow, it smells so good. So delicious. It's done. Let's take a plate from here. Wow, it's a blue plate. Let's put it here. Then take the same pot. Take one. Slowly. And lastly, we can't get for the broccoli. Let's put it back. Oh, we need to wash it. The spoon is dirty. Let's wash the spoon. Yes, the spoon is squeaky clean. So much food. Let's eat them with my fork. Yum, yum, yum. That was delicious. Let's clean the fork and the spoon. Let's start with the plate. I'm just wrong. I said fork and the spoon. It's not a spoon, it's a plate. So funny. Let's put the plate. Now let's wash the fork. Done. Oof, I'm so thirsty. Let's drink some water. Okay. Let's cut the pumpkin now. Oops. Let's put the pumpkin here. Oops. Yeah. Now let's cook the pumpkin. Wow, so delicious. It's done. Take a plate. Take one slice. One slice can do, not two. Another slice will be for another day. Right here. Oops. Here. Let's eat the pumpkin. Wow, the pumpkin is done. It was very delicious. Let's wash the plate. And the fork too. Now, let's cut the carrot. Put in the pot. Oh no, we are cooking the dirty carrot. Let's fill the dirty carrot and wash another carrot. Fill the carrot. I brought a new carrot. Let's wash it. Wash your fruits and vegetables, that it's so clean and you will eat. Yummy, yummy, yum. It's done. Let's cut it. Aha! Let's put it in the pot and give a little stir. I want to eat some. It's done. Let's take the plate. Then take this piece. Oops. Okay, let's put the plate over here. I picked a style to get in the plate. Wow, it's in the plate now. Let's put the pots here, fork here, and look! Our carrot is in this plate. That was yummy! Wash the fork and the plate. Let's cut the radish. Let's cook it. Take this. Down. That was yummy. Let's clean the plate. Done. The fork. Done. Oof. I am full. It's the end. Thank you for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe. I will give more fun videos. Bye. See you soon.